Hey, what's going on? So, last couple of days I picked up, uh, three, four, I don't know, 5 air conditioners, something like that. Anyway, I'm not going to show all of them because some of them are too damaged. I got this big Arctic King, a Zenith. These look like they're in okay shape. There's a little dent on the back of the Arctic King. Got a really big gold star. This one's... I'm not sure about this one. I'm probably going to scrap this gold star. The panels are busted off, and I think this grill might be broken. I'm not sure. I don't know what I'll do with that. These two I'm going to test out. I got an older fetters here in the back of my truck. It's probably like an 80s or 90s fetters. It was in really rough shape. The grill was all smashed on it, so I left that there. That fetters and the Signature 2000 was at the same house. They were in a big trash pile. This one, I mean, I don't know. We'll see if it works. It's really dirty. The grill was off it in the trash pile, and luckily I found it. But both the knobs are missing. I just stuck this one on there. I'm gonna have to find smaller ones. I probably have something that'll fit. But the grill's complete. It's not broken. Do with the filter. The panels are both split. One of the frames is cracked. This one's split too. Yeah, this is made in USA. There's a label on this. There's tape over that. I can't even read that. It's like a 5,000 BTU. There's the date. Yeah, it's from 1995. It's kind of an older one. The back's a little smushed there. But it doesn't look too bad. I mean, we'll see if it works. Might be able to salvage this. I got it plugged in. I've not turned it on. You know, I have smaller knobs somewhere. I'm gonna have to get one. Right, there's high fan. The fan works. Medium. Low. Yeah, I already turned this up all the way. It's not going to come on now. I'm going to have to run the hair dryer. Alright, I'll come right back. Okay, I just finally got it to click. So let's turn it on, see if it works. The compressor's on. It's low cool. I don't know what compressor is in there. It sounds nice though. It's a General Electric motor. it actually sounds pretty good. You know what? This grill comes right off. The air exchanger is actually pretty clean. Kind of surprising. This vent is busted. It just pulls out. It looks kind of cheesy. There's like a clear plastic piece that clips over this. I don't know, it just looks kind of cheesy. Yeah, it feels like it's getting cold. Oh, this is cold. It's getting cold at the top. The middle's cold. Yeah, I think this is going to work. Yeah, the top is getting cold too. Let it run for a minute. The air feels cold coming out of here. We just lost the compressor. Yeah, I think this has a good charge in it. It's cold at the top. So that's about it for the compressor. I don't want to. I had to run the hairdryer for like 5 minutes. This is pretty dusty. The evaporator. Yeah, it's surprising that it's actually pretty clean in there. So this isn't too bad. I can come up with some knobs for it. I'm gonna need something smaller than that one. Stick this back There we go. So yeah, I don't think it looks too bad. I can definitely clean it up, clean all this tape off it. So I'll probably keep this one. You can probably salvage these frames. Get one of those cut to fit inserts in it. Here's your logo. Yeah, I've never had one of these before. I have seen them. I don't think they're rare or anything like that. It's still got a protective film on the faceplate. Take that off. So, there you go. That's a Signature 2000 by Frigidaire. So yeah, it runs really nice, so I'll probably keep this. You can straighten this out. Yeah, so not bad. Alright, on to the next.